Well, hello everyone. Just for a catch up, I left today but did not manage to reach the destination I wanted to reach. This is because it was like mostly uphill, and mostly because there was between 30 kilometers and 50 kilometers of wind facing me the whole time. I only managed to do half the day, and now I'm here in the sort of abandoned house, thinking if I will sleep here or go to the next town to find a hotel. I saw there was a hotel, but they're a bit expensive. But it's still early. It's quite cold. It's going to be around 2 degrees Celsius during the night. I'm very tired and I don't have that much water left. So yeah, I think I will go for the hotel. But I've been stuck. I mean, I've been here for 30 minutes, just thinking about that pretty much. Yeah, definitely one of the toughest day of biking I had in a while. Just because the wind is just terrible. It makes everything so hard. Hills, at least you have the satisfaction of climbing, making some kilometers, going forward. The wind is really just, you feel like you can go fast and it doesn't allow you to get moving. Very frustrating day. Yup, made it to the hotel. It's actually quite nice, and I managed to negotiate the price. So I'm gonna stay here tonight, and I'm gonna take a well-rewarded shower. And hopefully tomorrow there's no wind.